Now, guys, this is beautiful. Look at this. Look at all the birds. Look at that. Look at that. Oh my God, they're beautiful. Look at that. Birds are always messengers too. They bring you messages. But they're beautiful. Look at that. I get the opportunity to see this right outside of my house. Beautiful. Always remember, messages come in disguise, birds, trees, butterflies, bees, and so much more. Have a wonderful, positive Sunday. Thank you for watching my channel, and thank you for subscribing to my channel. I'll see everyone later. Bye.